Namaskar. Today our topic is on cross multiplication of class 10. Solve pair of linear equation using cross multiplication method. So we have a problem: x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. From this equation, we write the coefficient of x, y and the constant term. And we write a1. The coefficient of x is a1. Coefficient of y is b1. Here the constant term, we take it as c1. Here the coefficient of second equation, we take it as a2. Coefficient of y as b2. Constant term, we take it as c2. And we get the value as a1 is 1. B1 is minus 3, C1 is minus 3. A2 is 3, B2 is minus 9, C2 is minus 2. So by cross multiplication method, we have x equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. We put the value and calculate it, and we see that it is minus 21 by 0, which is undefined. As a1 b2 minus a2 b1, it must not be equal to 0 to have a solution. So it is equal to 0, so we can write it from here that it has no solution. Here we have another question: 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. This equation we write it and we make the right hand side always 0. Coefficient of x, y as a1, b1. a1 is here 2, b1 is here 1, and c1 is minus 5. a2 is 3, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 8. Then by cross multiplication we have formula. First of all we write bc, then we write 1, 2, 2, 1. Then we write ab, then we write 1, 2, 2, 1. Put the value of b1 as 1 and c2 as minus 8, b2 as 2 and c1 as minus 5. And then a1 as 2, b2 as 2, then a2 as 3 and b1 as 1. Then we calculate it. It is 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Minus into minus is plus, then 2 2 is 4, minus 3 1 is 3. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. That is 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Then we have y formula. We write it CA, then we write 1 2 2 1. AB, then we write 1 2 2 1. Put the value of C1. C1 is minus 5. A2 is 3. Then C2 is our minus 8, then A1 is our 2, B2 is 2, and A2 is 3, then B1 is our 1. Then we calculate 5 3 is 15, minus into minus is plus, 8 2 is 16, 16 minus 15 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the unique solution. Here our question is, for which values of a and b does the following pairs of linear equation have infinite number of solutions? 2x plus 3y equal to 7, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Here we write the equation. On these two equations we write the coefficient of x and y. a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is 7. Goes to the left, it becomes minus 7. a2 is a minus b, b2 is a plus b, C2 is whole part goes to the left, it becomes minus within bracket 3a plus b minus 2. For infinite number of solution, we have a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to C1 by C2. So we put the value 2 by A minus B, 3 by A plus B equal to minus 7 by minus, within bracket we can cancel the minus sign. Now this part 2 by A minus B equal to 3 by A plus B, we can write it separately, or 2 by A minus B equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. So we calculate this, we can cancel the minus sign here also, and we get A equal to 5B, which we write equation number 1. Now again from this here we multiply 7 into A is 7A, 7 into B is 7B, then we 2 3 just 6A, 2B minus 2 2 just 4. Then we bring this 6A to the left, and 2B we keep it in the place, and minus 7B goes to the right, it becomes 7B minus 4. Now 7 minus 6 is 1A, 7 plus 2 is 9B minus 4. Use the value of A, 5B in this part here, to 5B equal to 9B minus 4. 5B minus 9B, bring it to the left, 9B, and it becomes minus. So we have 5 minus 9 as minus 4B equal minus 4. Then we cancel this negative sign, and 4 divided by 4 is 1, and from 1 we have A equal to 5 into B, B is 1, so 5 1 ja 5 is our answer.
For which values of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? 3x plus y equal to 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 y equal to 2k plus 1.
We write the equation 3x plus y equal to 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 y equal to 2k plus 1, and coefficient of x, y and constant term. A1 is 3, B1 is 1, C1 is, we bring this one to the left, it becomes minus 1. A2 is 2k minus 1, B2 is k minus 1, C2 is, this we bring it to the left, it becomes minus 2k plus 1 within bracket. For no solution, we have this formula A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. We put the value and we make it separate. This is equal to this, or we can cancel the negative sign, and we calculate 3 into k is 3k. Write it equation number 1 and equation number 2. 3 into k is 3k, 3 into 1 is 3, 2k minus 1 into 1 is 2k minus 1, and bring it 2k to the left, and we take this minus 3 to the right. 3 minus 2 is k, 1k equal to 2. From this one, so 2k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1, we calculate it, we get that k not equal to minus 2, hence k equal to 2.
For what value of p, the system of equations px minus y equal to 2, 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has only one solution?
We write the equation px minus y equal to 2, 6x minus 2y equal to 3. So we bring this 2 to the left, as right hand side is always 0. Also we bring 3 to the left, so our right hand side is 0. We write A1, A2, A1 is P, B1 is minus 1, C1 is minus 2, A2 is 6, B2 is minus 2, C2 is minus 3. For only one solution, or we may call it unique solution, we have a formula A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. We put the value P by 6 not equal to minus 1 by minus. We can cancel both the minus sign, and 6 1 is 6, we can cancel it, 2 3 is 6. So we have P not equal to 3. From here we can say that for all real values of P except 3, the system of equation has only one solution, or it may be called unique solution. here now we have the question solved by reducing to pair of linear equations. We have 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. So we write the equation and we write it 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b equal to 2, where 1 by x is a, 1 by y is b. We have reduced it, and here 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b equal to 13 by 6, and we simplified it and we got 3a plus 2b equal to 12, and here 2a plus 3b equal to 13. We can cancel these 6. Now we multiplied here the coefficient of b in this equation, and these two we multiplied in this equation, and we got 3 3 is 9, then 3 2 is 6, 3 12 is 36, and here 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, and 2 13 is 26, and we have changed the sign and we can cancel these two, and we have 5a equal to 10, so 5 2 is 10, a we took it as 1 by x, so x is equal to 1 by 2. From 1 we put the value of a, 3 2 is 6 plus 2b, so we got the value of b as 3. So b we took it as 1 by y equal to 3, so y is 1 by 3, therefore we have x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 is our answer.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and please feel free to comment below and the topic you may need for the next videos.